Welcome in and welcome back to our weekly vlog series showing off the behind the scenes of growing our 3D printing small business at home. To start off this week, we're continuing to print our custom price signs for our event tables. I'm really excited to be able to use these this weekend at our Halloween bazaar. And then we're also finishing up some of the chain links for our hype chain and got some new colors for our Halloween centers going on down there. Over here, we just have some more prep to do, get some more stuff glued together. We did glue the apples together, so those are dry. They should be ready to go and get packaged up. And here's the rest of the hype chain. We're just finishing up on some of the links there. Here is a look at our new ghost designs all finished up. I'm really happy with how they are coming out. I'm hoping the beaters are excited for them too. Alright, these little green and black ghosts just finished up, so these are going to be added to our little ghost collection we have going on now. We also have some more of our custom price signs finished up. We have quite a few done here, all kind of in that color line between the purple and blue and pink, so they look pretty cool together. We are printing all of these on my A1 Mini, so I'm just placing a pause on the layer where the white starts, and then I'm kind of going onto the machine and swapping out the filament manually. And they're turning out really great, so I'm happy with it, and it doesn't take up my other machines. We also finished up these Native Pride keychains last night, so adding those to our lineup as well. We had the blue one done already, and we did get our hype chain put together, so super excited about that. So here are the skulls now in the green and black as well. We decided to put these all together in a Halloween pack, so we're doing both designs in about 4 different colors. Besides these ones, we're going to be trying to do an orange and black and then a black and red, kind of going for the spooky Halloween color vibes. So our focus for this week is really just getting prepped for these 2 events that we have coming up, the Bear Tracks Powwow and then the Halloween Bazaar. And so we're not exactly listing anything this week, or at least not focusing on it. Make it a little easier for ourselves. Checking back on the prints now, we do have another Native Pride hype chain that just finished up, so we'll have to do the links for that one. And then down below we got the orange and black skulls done for our Halloween pack. Those look great, and I think we're going to end up doing a few more of our price signs for our table as well. I do want to say that if you do ever get the opportunity to sit down and learn how to design and model your own ideas, I would definitely go for it and take the time to do it, because to see all of these designs come out that I actually modeled myself, to see them come out on good prints and to see them sell is just so much more rewarding than getting a subscription and selling somebody else's designs. We just got finished up with one set of the links for the new hype chain, and I'm double checking to see if we need any more of these price signs made up. And then we got our red and black of the skulls done, which might be my favorite color variation so far. And we're just going to throw that in with these and package them up together when they're done. So YouTube has told me that Hobby Lobby has 3D printing filament. Well, I came to Hobby Lobby and they do. So I guess I'm one of the lucky ones. I am going to pick up some of this CA glue here. I haven't seen that in any stores yet. And we got a little selection of some regular PLA colors. It looks like they got, what else do they got here? They got some orange, purple, yellow, just kind of the basic colors. And then they got some special colors here. They got like a silk, a black pink silk. They got like a silk silver, which I might have to pick up. They got the wood and marble, and then a silk rainbow. So I think I'm going to grab the wood today and get that tested out first before I grab any more, but sweet. They're right in town for me when I need them. Alright, so it's our last night of printing before we have our event tomorrow. So we're just finishing up on these centers here. Got our ghosts in the black and red last batch, and then we did a Native Pride keychain in the red as well. So, and then here's our table sign that we'll be using for tomorrow as well. Officially the day of the Halloween Bazaar, so I wanted to give you guys a little overview of our table. Here we have all of our centers, like those packs we were working on. And then we got kind of our other products, our beading supplies products. And there's my hype chains that we just did. Got our keychains, bookmarks, some more beadwork. And then we kind of got our fun Halloween prints there as well. And I put a few of our keychains over here on the rack here. Might have to do some different signs for the racks, I guess, but they're working okay for now. But yeah, this is kind of our layout of products that we have for this one little event today, and then in 2 days I think we'll have another one. So the Arlie Halloween Bazaar is in the books now. I wanted to go over the rest of our schedule with you guys just to kind of show you what's coming up, what to expect in the next coming weeks on the vlogs, and kind of what we're prepping for. Also wanted to give you the sales totals for the event we did yesterday. So total sales, we did $458.50. $134.50 of that was in 3D products only. And the other sales was $324 for some beadwork and some beading supplies. So that was Arlie Bazaar. Tomorrow we have the Bear Tracks powwow. So we're basically just bringing everything we had at this one to this one. Not a lot of time to prep. And then we have a U of M bazaar on the 17th, which will be in the same week as the 13th. So there'll be 2 events next week on our vlog. And then we do have a Halloween powwow on the 25th as well. Next month we do for sure have the Veterans Powwow to go to, which is an all-day powwow, and that's at the center of our reservation, so we're expecting a pretty good turnout, especially it being open all day. So we're excited for that one. And then Auntie's Market is at our local Auntie's Emporium restaurant type place, and so they're going to be local, so we're waiting to hear back, but we're pretty sure we'll get into that one because it's a local store here in our little town. So yeah, we're looking forward to these two. We might have another powwow in November and in December. Haven't heard on those for sure yet, but we're waiting on those, and we'll sign up as soon as we can if they come out. So this is what we're doing, and we only got one down so far on the list. Well, that's all that we have for this week. I'm going to spend my night working on some new keychain or hype chain designs. We're all packed up and ready for our powwow event tomorrow, but I do want to thank every single one of you that have stopped by to take a peek into our little growing business. It means so much to me to have you guys following along. If you are finding any of this to be inspiring, encouraging, entertaining, please don't forget to subscribe for more. This is just the beginning, and thanks again. We will see you all next week. I appreciate you.